The rotor is the inner portion of your brushless drill's motor. It consists of the drive shaft and gear, the magnetic rotor, the cooling fan, and 2 bearings. Your drill's brushless motor works more like the motor on a large table saw. The magnetic rotor is caused to rotate by a series of electromagnets on the stator. Although the rotor's magnet can be damaged, the most common reasons to replace the rotor are worn-out bearings, a broken cooling fan, or a damaged drive gear. Replacing the rotor is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing one half of the housing. Now I'm going to lift the gearbox and motor assembly away from the housing. As I do this, I'll be careful to not separate the selector from the gearbox. With it removed from the housing, I can pull the gearbox away from the motor. Now I can remove the rotor from the stator. Now I can install the new rotor. It just slides into the stator. Be careful that it doesn't pinch you as the magnet pulls it into place. Now I can begin reinstalling the gearbox. There's a good chance when you remove the gearbox that the leaf spring fell out of the housing, so I'll reinstall it. Now I can install the gearbox back onto the motor. I align the gears and slide the gearbox over the bearing. Now I'll line each of the components with the housing and slide them into place. And now I can reinstall the housing. And that's all it takes to replace the rotor in your cordless drill. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.